Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss something new topic about a fake recruitment agency. If you search KSS Recruitment 2020, you can see there is a website link. If you click on this, you will get to that website. You can see KSS Recruitment 2020 Trainee Engineer. Education qualification, mechanical, electrical, metallurgy, instrumentation, civil, chemical and industrial branches, BTech. They given individual numbers. BTech Mechanical 240, BTech Electrical 360, like this they mentioned individual numbers, and total vacancy 2201 numbers. They provided job description here and salary 6 to 7 lakhs per annum with HRA, TA insurance and other facility. And they mentioned extended to October 31st, 2020, the last date of application. This is absolutely fake job. You can ask me how and why. I will show you what is the thing going on here and what is the thing I am specifying this is a fake. If you click on apply now, it will get to the job application and I am filling some details. Location I am giving as Bangalore. I am not filling correspondence address at all. And I am giving some address and I am giving 5 zeros contact number and I am filling something like this. So if there is a red star mark, that is the meaning we must give that, we must fill that box, but without filling that it will accept. I'll show you now. So I given just useless data here. All are useless data. I'm clicking on proceed. I have not given correspondence address at all. It is accepted. And now I will upload some image, not a photograph, not a signature at all. I will upload some photo. I uploaded some image. I have uploaded. So now I am clicking and I have not set sizes, nothing. Just I uploaded the downloaded image from Google. I just uploaded. Now I am clicking on proceed now. Now it went to online portal payment, and you can see here payment online collect dot sagarindia.co.in. It is not been under some any. This is not a third party website of payment gateway, nothing. This is just asking like this. And if you click now, pay your application fee, no company will ask you to pay for the employment. Please keep this in mind. Government itself making national recruitment agency to avoid the charges for the unemployed youth and for students, to help them to save the time and to save their money. These type of fraudster companies, they are making money by doing this such fraudster things. Please be aware of these type of things. No company will ask you for payment for employment if that is genuine company. Okay. Now if we click on pay your application fee, it will take you to Paytm website. See, you can see Sagar India. Where is KSS? Where is Sagar India? And amount to be paid 1,000 rupees. See, they are given options and like this. If you pay 1,000, there will be no response, nothing from their end, because this is absolutely fake. Okay. And they mentioned some other jobs also like this. We go through current openings. See, they provide diploma trainee, trainee engineer. If you click on training, diploma trainee also same thing. They mentioned 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. No company will give for zero. I mean for freshers, no company will offer 4 lakhs per annum for a diploma trainee. usually, unless if it is a big MNC, and that should be a brand, then only they may offer. We never heard this company name only. KAZ calls Story India. Okay, be careful with this type of job, guys, please. And they provided a civil, mechanical, electrical, like this same thing. If you apply, it will take to this website, and if you fill something, blah blah blah, same thing, it will take you to this website. Okay, be aware of this type of jobs, and do not pay money for any kind of job. If you have any questions, please comment in below section. I'll be very happy to help you guys, and subscribe the channel for more updated information. And I will be uploading weekly job openings in different cities in India, like Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Like I will be giving genuine job updates. So subscribe the channel, and keep stay tuned to channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.